Hello, fellow translators. I am recovering from a cold, and so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to record an introduction video for my pros.com page. And the reason I say this, and I'm serious, the reason I say this is because this is something I recommend to everyone. If you've taken my course, you know I speak about it more in detail, but anyone who asks me, I always recommend to do it. Pros.com allows you to record an introduction video. I always recommend to do it. It's great to, for transparency, for trust, so people can get to know you. And it's a great way just to stand out because so few people do it. And yet pretty much every single time I recommend it, people delay doing it or they don't do it. And the reasons they give is like, I don't have a good enough camera. I don't know what to say. I need to figure out what to talk about, et cetera, et cetera. And I really, there should be no delay in doing this. This is something that really helps and it's so easy to do. So I'm going to do one right now. I have no script or anything. And like I said, I'm recovering from a cold. And here you can see I'm going to show, I don't know what I'm going to show in the video. Actually, I'll probably just talk to it. And that's the thing. If you are just sitting at your computer or you're just talking like this at your computer at a laptop, that's perfect because that's how they see you, right? And so you want to kind of reinforce that image that you're a freelancer and that's how you work. So anyway, let's get to the video, my introduction video that I'm going to improvise right now. Hi everyone, this is Robert Gebhardt. I'm an Italian to English translator. I specialize in legal and business translations, and I'm available for any translation job you might need. You can find more information on my pros.com profile, including a portfolio of past works and a list of services and a copy of my CV or resume. And feel free to contact me with any questions you might have, and I'm look forward to hearing from you. Yeah. That's pretty much it. And look, and the thing is, I just kept it very simple and very easy. And I didn't do, cause I recommend some stuff like in the course, like highlight the most impressive things you have on your resume or stuff like that. I didn't do any of that. You don't even have to do any of that. Just like talk, show that you're a real person behind the name and just say what you can offer. And that's it. And, I didn't even show. I could have shown this is where I work from and, where I can do my job, or I could specify like some stuff from my experience or stuff like that. The thing is, I can still do that. I can upload that video and then in a week or so, I can say, no, I want to do something else. It's just so easy to do. Upload a video. You can change it as many times as you want. Pros.com makes it very easy. Here, I'll show you where it shows up on your profile on Pros. It's right here. And right under your photo, which obviously I'll also recommend having. And so there's no reason not to do it. As you can see, it can be a very simple thing like I did just now. In fact, if you put too much effort into it, sometimes it looks a bit too staged. Look, I'm not saying you can have a script. You can be a bit more prepared than I was. That's fine. And but I just want to show you how simple it is and how easy. And the video that I just made is totally acceptable to put up there. And that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to share with you. And now I will get back to hopefully getting better from my cold. Okay. Bye. Savidum.